Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here testing out this Phantom 3. My Phantom 3, I've been having a problem with it. When you take it up, it flies unstable. Well, it flies good, but it's unstable. It kind of like drifts. Well, it's drifting a little bit, like left and right, about a foot or so, and it'll also sometimes goes up a little bit, it comes back down, it just moves around like that. And I believe it was ever since I updated the software, it started to do that. The firmware. And I've been trying everything, and I'm going to be doing another test again. I just did the IMU calibration. I did everything. I played around with all that stuff, so I'm going to try it again. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right after this. Yeah, so I did everything. I calibrated the IMU and even auto calibrated the gimbal. I also did a few other things, and it's just still doing the same thing. So as you can see, everything is pretty good. I got 8 satellites, or 9 right now. Maybe you can see this. Everything looks good, so I'm gonna test it out right now. See how it's drifting all over the place? I've been looking online. There's no solution to it. It's going up fast. It's not even controlling. Look, moving around. See that? To the right, not to the left. Yeah. There's no wind out here, man. There's no wind. There's no wind. Maybe a little 2-mile-per-hour breeze. It's nothing, you know. It just drifting around. Look, to the right. Just swing. I mean, it flies great. Everything functions well. It's just this drifting when it's hovering. Look, moving back a little. Goes forward, goes up a little, goes down a little, goes to the left a little. It's just not stable. But if you guys know anything, just leave it in the description. I mean, in the comment section. Let me know. Well, what I did was I calibrated the compass numerous times, and it's still doing the same thing. But I'm gonna look at the connection in the settings where you look at the the compass, like the connection, and if I see like the numbers swinging a little bit, so I don't know if that's normal. But what I'm gonna do is compare it to the Mavic, because the Mavic flies perfectly in my backyard. It doesn't do that, you know. I mean, you know, it stays stable. So I'm gonna look at how the performance in the compass on the Mavic is doing compared to the Phantom, so to see if it's some kind of a compass problem. But I'll check it out.